Welcome. If you're having trouble with Snapchat asking for camera permissions, or just want to make sure you're always in control of when the app can use your camera, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable Ask Every Time for camera permissions on Snapchat, so you can decide each time the app wants to access your camera. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you'll find all the controls for your device and its apps. Next, scroll down and look for the section called Apps, or sometimes it's labeled App Management, depending on your device. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now scroll through the list until you find Snapchat. Once you see it, tap on the Snapchat app to open its settings. Inside Snapchat's settings, look for the option labeled Permissions. Tap on this to view all the different permissions Snapchat can request, like access to your contacts, location, and, of course, your camera. Find Camera in the list of permissions and tap on it. Here's where you can control exactly how Snapchat accesses your camera. You'll see several options. Choose Ask Every Time. This means that whenever Snapchat wants to use your camera, you'll get a prompt, and you can decide on the spot whether to allow it or not. That's it. You've now set Snapchat to ask for camera access every time it needs it. This is a great way to keep your privacy in check, while still being able to use Snapchat's camera features whenever you want. If you ever change your mind, you can always return to these settings and pick a different option, like Allow only while using the app, or Don't allow. Thanks for watching. Now you're in control of your camera permissions on Snapchat. If this helped you, don't forget to share it with friends who might need a hand. See you next time.